had a very good conversation with the leader of the Taliban today, and they're looking to get this ended, and we're looking to get it ended. I think we all have a very common interest. We'll find out about the country itself, but the country really has to get it ended. We've been there for 20 years. Other presidents have tried, and they have been unable to get any kind of an agreement. The relationship is very good that I have with the mullah, and we had a good long conversation today, and they want to cease the violence. They'd like to cease violence also. Well, they may be reluctant. They've been they've done very well with the United States for many years, far beyond military. If you look at all the money that we've spent in Afghanistan, we've spent trillions of dollars, and we're really a police force. We're really not fighting per se. It's a fight that if we had to, we'd win, but I don't want to kill millions of people. We'd win it fairly quickly, but I don't want to kill millions of people. I think it's crazy. And so we've been there. We'll be very, very soon. It'll be 20 years. And I said right from the beginning, not easy to get out of these conflicts, very complex in terms of all of the people you have to deal with, including, frankly, people in the Senate, people in the House, and a lot of people feel differently about things. But I've been amazed at how positive the response is to getting out of Afghanistan and to moving on. And I really had a great conversation with him today, yes.